Jen, what am I supposed to do if my supervisor doesn't allow me to work remotely to focus on my writing, and I'm forced to try and write inside the chaos of my lab? My answer is simple and based on what I learned from my own trials. You don't just accept the chaos. You can totally build an intentional fortress around your focus. To protect our working memory when we cannot change our physical locations, first, we need to establish a visual boundary. Or even better, let's call this the Headphone Protocol. You can go to your office mates, your students, or anyone sharing your space, and have a transparent and respectful conversation before you start writing. Tell them something like, hey, I really want to give my full attention to your questions, but I also need to focus to push this manuscript forward. So when you see me with these headphones on, it means I am in deep focus mode. You can totally pull me out if the lab is on fire, but if you can wait an hour, please hold it until you see me taking a break. Or just write what you need in an email and I will answer as soon as possible. It is a kind and clear request, and it sets a hard psychological line that people will naturally respect. I'm talking from experience, as I've used this strategy many times, and it usually works impressively well. And there's a fascinating secondary benefit of doing this, which is a forced organization effect. When you establish this boundary, you're not just protecting your own brain, but you're actually training the people around you to respect time. When your students or colleagues know they cannot just tap you on the shoulder for every minor thought, it forces them to become more organized. Instead of interrupting you 6 separate times for 6 separate tiny questions, they are forced to batch their demands. They will likely write them down, solve what they can on their own, and bring you a structured list later when your headphones are off. You win, and they grow as independent researchers. Isn't it perfect?